guys, it's me from Me Makeovers, and I'm here to show you my new Marc kit. I received my Marc representative kit, and for those of you who don't know, I do sell Marc makeup, fashion, shoes, etc. And I love it. I love everything except for one product. This sucks. Well, the lotion doesn't suck, but the smell, I really don't like it. One, I don't like smelling like burnt hair. There really is no second. I don't think I need a second reason. It smells. Why do you want to smell? As far as a lotion, this stuff is great. Okay, it tops Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works, but as far as the smell, it ain't happening for me. Tinted moisturizer, great stuff. Wrote an article about it on my blog, memakeovers.com, comparing it to my old love CoverGirl. Used to love this. Now I love it. I took pictures of it on my skin, took pictures of it, you know, putting the globs on my fingers and stuff like that. So you can judge for yourself. If you don't want to buy it, don't buy it. You like this better? Get it. If you know of a tinted moisturizer that works even better than this, oh my gosh, please tell me. I would love to see it. Blush. On my cheeks right now, not so much the contouring. That's my Jane Bronze. But this right here, really good powder. Don't like the color, not for my skin, but the consistency, oh, it's like satin. It's nice. Also, eyeshadow. The eyeshadows are separate, but you can snap them into this little kit right here. And I have it on the top layer and the inner corners of my eye. I'm wearing the Biscotti. And then the Tiki Brown, I have the brown inner corners. As for my mascara, no fake lashes on here. If you guys are familiar with Marc, Marc has this hookup thing. You can hook up anything to it. Mascara, concealer, lip gloss. I happen to have this lip gloss and mascara. Mascara is great, but it dries really quickly. Be honest, I still love my CoverGirl. Don't have it around me right now, but the lip gloss though, I want a different color because this one's really sheer for a pink, maybe because it matches my lip color. But the gloss is great, and I kissed my husband with it to see what he liked, or if it was too sticky for him. Not too sticky, guys. Didn't leave a film on him, and it has a little mint taste to it. It's just, I love it. It's a really great lip gloss. I also got this makeup bag, which is really huge. It's bigger than my head. It's got a little charm thing on it, and inside, hot pink. This little cosmetic bag here, actually it holds the brushes. So let's go through, shall we? We have a concealer, an eyeshadow, a powder blush, eyeliner. I'm sorry, that's lip eyeliner. And it's in a little teeny little, that's how small it is. It's really small. That's it. Anything you can buy, don't recommend. Don't get that, guys. Please don't get that. I would feel bad if you guys got that in my name and went around smelling really bad. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Guys, I forgot to tell you, I started the South Beach diet yesterday. Today's my second day. So I wrote about it on my blog. Go check it out, memakeovers.com. Thanks. Bye.